Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to send Bitcoin from Crypto.com to Revolut in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and stress-free. Whether you're looking to move your funds for trading, saving, or just experimenting, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Revolut. Double-check that your Bitcoin is in your Crypto.com wallet and that Revolut has Bitcoin enabled. It's a key feature for seamless transfers. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1. Open your Crypto.com app and log in securely. Head over to your dashboard and select the Wallets section. Find your Bitcoin wallet. It should show your current balance. If you're new, take a moment to verify everything is up to date. Next, tap on Bitcoin and choose the Withdraw or Send option. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to enter the recipient's details, so grab your Revolut app now. In Revolut, go to your crypto section, select Bitcoin, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: always double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes, as blockchain transactions are irreversible. Back in Crypto.com, paste that Revolut address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Remember to account for any network fees, which can vary based on current demand. In 2025, fees might be lower with improved tech, but it's smart to review them first. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to use two-factor authentication for security. Now, sit back and wait for the network to process it. Bitcoin transfers usually take 10 to 30 minutes, but it can vary. Finally, hop over to your Revolut app and refresh your Bitcoin balance. If all went well, your funds should appear shortly. Congrats! You've just mastered sending Bitcoin between platforms. That wraps up our guide. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so always stay informed and never send more than you're comfortable with. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.